The ranking comparison poll is a seller favorite, and it's no wonder why. You can find out which image your respondents find most compelling to least compelling, and find out the order of preference. Not only that, but you get really detailed, fine-grained contextual feedback as to the why. However, we find there's one common pitfall that sellers tend to fall into, and that is using the ranking comparison poll almost as an extended A/B test or split test. That means they're sharing different images that are only slightly different and hoping to really get a lot of value from the poll. Although you will absolutely hear from the respondents the order of preference for the images, you're going to miss out on that really important why answer. So take a look at my poll preview. If you, as the person setting up the poll, can't thoughtfully answer why you would prefer the order of preference, I promise you that the respondents are going to also have an equally challenging time. Here's a wonderful example of how to use the ranking comparison poll most effectively. Here we use different features that were in a listing stack and wanted to find out what order should we be putting these features in. The results were overwhelmingly valuable. Features that we thought would be the most important tended to not be as high up in the preference list when the respondents answered the poll questions. It helped us not only empower our decision-making around which image should be first and which image should be last, but the everything in between that impacts your entire listing. So, if you're going to use the ranking comparison poll, remember it's not just another split test. It's a lot more than that.